Alright, here it is. The ultimate solution you guys have been waiting for. Welcome back to my channel. My name's Jay, and today I'm going to be sharing with you the ultimate solution to Amazon bans. This solution is for those of you who want to use your own Amazon account to fulfill orders. I'm going to be walking you through a step-by-step guide on how to do this, so make sure you watch the whole video because every step is important. You guys ready? Let's go. Okay, high level. In order to get around Amazon bans, we need to use burner accounts. What are burner accounts? These are Amazon accounts that use up to a month and then stop using completely. The idea is very simple. Don't give Amazon a chance to ban you. Stop using the account before they ban you. We know that Amazon isn't playing around anymore, so the only way to get around the bans is to keep creating new accounts. Now, the execution of this is a little more difficult. You're going to need 3 things. Number 1, dedicated internet proxy. A proxy is a way to hide your IP address online. It's similar to a VPN, virtual private network. But the difference is that with a dedicated proxy, you get a static IP address that will not change and will not be shared with anyone else. Every time you create a new Amazon account, you're going to need a new proxy because Amazon tracks you by IP address. The proxy service I use and recommend is IPBurger. If you're interested in using IPBurger, I've included my affiliate link down below. Number 2, new browser profile. A browser profile is a user profile on your browser that saves your browsing data such as passwords, bookmarks, browsing history, and of course, cookies. Not that kind of cookie. The reason we need a new browser profile whenever we create a new Amazon account is because Amazon also tracks you by browser cookies. These are files created by websites that save browsing information. I recommend using Google Chrome, but you can also use Microsoft Edge. They both run on the Chromium codebase. Number 3, a clean credit card or a virtual payment card. A clean credit card is a card that has not been linked to a flagged or banned Amazon account. Also, the billing address should not be linked to a flagged or banned Amazon account. If one of your previous accounts has been flagged or banned already, you cannot use the credit card that was linked to that account unless you change the billing address. I would also recommend changing the card number just to be safe. If this is not possible, I suggest you use a virtual payment card. A virtual payment card is a digital card that is used for online transactions. It helps keep your personal information safe and reduces fraud. I recommend using Privacy Card, which allows you to create virtual cards with any name and any billing address you choose. This allows you to evade detection by Amazon, as your personal billing info will be hidden. The card is linked to your bank account, so unfortunately, you won't be getting cash back. If you're interested in using Privacy Card, I've included my affiliate link down below. I know this seems like a lot of work, but it is necessary in order to avoid the Amazon bans. Remember, Amazon links your accounts via IP address, browser cookies, and personal billing info. Once they catch you, all of your subsequent accounts you create will be banned too. So the best strategy is prevention, which is why we need to use burner accounts. Now that you have a high level understanding of how this works, I'm going to show you step by step how to set these 3 things up. Alright, so first I want to show you guys how to set up a new browser profile. If you're using Chrome, just go to the profile icon at the top, click on Add, and then continue without an account. And then just title this whatever you want, pick a theme, and then create desktop shortcut, and then done. And then go back to the profile icon, click on Edit, back, Sync and Google Services. Turn off Allow Chrome Sign-In. By turning this off, we ensure that each browser profile will be kept separate and that no browser cookies will be leaked. Because as you know, that's one of the ways that Amazon can track you. And don't forget to relaunch after you do that. Alright, I'm on the IPBurger website right now. You're going to want to go to Fresh Proxies on your products. And this is a fresh dedicated IP. Fresh just means that no one's used it before. Dedicated means that it's a static IP address. No one else is going to be using it. It's not going to change. And as you see here, it's perfect for eBay, PayPal, and Amazon accounts. We're going to be using it for Amazon. So you can scroll through the page and you can read about it. I've covered some of this information already earlier. IPBurger is a pretty reputable company. I've been using it for a while now and they've been pretty good. So they have multiple locations, but we're going to be using it, for a location that you want. For me, it's going to be the US. And if you scroll down to the bottom, you can choose your fresh IP plan. So the one I recommend is the 2 fresh IP plan. And the reason for that is because you're going to want to rotate between the 2 IP addresses. So you're going to create a new Amazon account using one of these IP addresses, and you're going to use it until Prime expires for the month or a little bit before Prime expires. But you're not going to want to close your account because you may have some pending orders that haven't been delivered yet, or you may have returns to process, right? So you're going to want to have 2 IP addresses, 2 accounts open at all times. So then click on Fast Checkout. Here, you can choose your location. Again, as I mentioned, I'm in the United States. I'm sure most of you guys are as well. So click on US. And then you can choose between, different pricing plans. Obviously, if you do the 12-month plan, you're going to get a better value out of that. But it's up to you, right? So you can start with a month and see how it goes. So once you're ready, click on Continue. Check out here, fill out your information, and then go ahead and place your order. Alright, after placing your order, you're going to need to set up your dedicated proxy. The first step is to go to the Chrome Web Store and download the IPBurger Proxy and VPN Chrome extension. Click on Add to Chrome, and then Add Extension. And then make sure you activate it and pin it under your icons. And then click on Settings. Now go back to your IPBurger account and find the dedicated proxies you just purchased. Click on Download VPN Credentials, HTTP Proxy, and then copy and paste these proxy credentials into the IPBurger extension. Once you're done with that, click on Save. Now, one last step, you need to turn on Allow in Incognito. This step is recommended by IPBurger to help keep your proxy even more secure. So now your proxy should be activated and ready to go. You can now create a new Amazon account using it. Now, always remember to keep your Amazon accounts separate from each other. Never ever access your Amazon account using a different browser or a different proxy. Only access your account using the same browser and same proxy you created it with. After you're done with your Amazon account and you're ready to create a new Amazon account, don't forget to change your IP address. Remember, Amazon links accounts by IP address, so you need to make sure you change your IP address before you create a new account. Alright, I'm on the privacy website. For those of you who have a credit card or billing information that's already been flagged by Amazon and you can't get a new credit card or change your billing address, this is the next best option for you. So a virtual payment card will basically allow you to be anonymous. You can use any name you want, any billing address you want, and Amazon won't be able to detect you. It's pretty straightforward. I highly recommend that you guys go through this and read through it before you sign up. But it is free, and you won't need to pay anything, but you won't be able to get cash back. So, and also you will need to be a US citizen in order to sign up for this. You can use a personal bank account or a business bank account. That's up to you. But make sure when you sign up, don't tell them that you're dropshipping. You can tell them that you're an authorized reseller, but don't ever mention that you're dropshipping because they might not approve your application. Just a few last minute tips. After you create your Amazon account, it's important to age your account for at least a week before placing a large volume of orders. Don't immediately start placing 10 orders a day on your new account. Start with 1 order and wait for that order to be delivered before you place the next order. Also, for the first order you place, the shipping address and the billing address should match to reduce the risk of fraud detection by Amazon. You may get a notice like this if Amazon believes your account is being used for fraudulent activity. If this happens, follow the instructions and submit your billing information to Amazon. If you're using a privacy card, then there is no billing info to submit, so just tell them it's a new card. Good luck. If you found this content useful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you'd like to get started with dropshipping, please consider using my referral links below. Thank you so much for your support.